Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. In today's video, I will show you how to deposit a check into your RBC account using the RBC Mobile application. It is quick, easy, and can be done from the comfort of your home. So now let's get started. First, you will need to open the RBC Mobile application on your smartphone. If you are not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you are logged in, tap on the deposit option at the bottom of the screen. Then, select the deposit check from the available options. Enter the check amount and choose the RBC account where you want the funds to be deposited. Double check the details to ensure accuracy. Now, you will be prompted to take a photo of the front and back of the check. Make sure that the images are clear and all the information is visible. After taking the photos, review the information and tap Submit to complete the deposit. You will receive a confirmation message once the check is successfully deposited. And that's how you deposit a check into your RBC account using the mobile application. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.